For example, as we are using show IP interface brief, this command is for IP version 4, and if I am using IPv6, this command is for IPv6. Now if you are using show IP root, this command is for IPv4 and this command is for IPv6. Now we move the assigning the IP address or assigning the routing protocol to a particular router. Go to your configuration mode. In IPv4, in the case of IPv4, we are using IP root. This command, like for default address, we are using this command. But in case of IPv6, we use IP root. Instead of IP root, we use IPv6 root. The working and the scenario is same, but the difference is IPv6. We are using IPv6. We are using IPv6 instead of IP. Just the difference is this. Like if we are using OSPF protocol, in the case of IPv4 we are using IP OSPF 100 or any other number that you want. In the case of IPv6 we are using IPv6 OSPF 100. Sorry, we are using IPv6 router OSPF 100. Now you can see the error. The error is IPv6 routing is not enabled. So we need to put IPv6 routing enabled first. For enabling IPv6 routing, the command is IPv6. Here you can see the command is unicast routing. Enable unicast routing. Just type unicast routing. Now you can put your router OSPF command in case of IPv6. Now you can see this process could not pick a router ID, so we need to configure manually a router ID in case of IPv6. But if you want to use OSPF, you can enable OSPF by this command after enabling unicast routing for IPv6. By default, on the router, IPv4 routing is enabled. In case of IPv6, we need to enable unicast routing for IPv6 first. Then after we can use IPv6 router OSPF, IPv6 router EIGRP also, or any other routing protocol. Now if you pinging any address, then the ping command is, in the case of IPv4 you just type ping 127.0.0.1. This is the pinging start. But now in case of IPv6 we put this command, or we are using this command, ping IPv6. Now put the address like this. We need to put double colon here because with single colon there is no IP address in the range of IPv6. We use double colon here. This is the command for pinging any device that enabled IPv6. There is no device that having this particular IPv6 address, so the success rate is 0. But I am using this command just to show how we can ping any device that having IPv6 address. And the difference that we are using ping command in IPv4 and the ping command in IPv6. Just we need to put IPv6 in between and then IPv6 address. In the case of IPv6, we just type ping and the IPv4 address. These are some differences and some commands that we are using in IPv6.